We will start with our laboratory equipment. In the portfolio of the lab machines, there were improvements in detail this year.
This year we have further developed our Haldrup LT35 laboratory treasure. Here we will look at the details of the new development. Here you can see the old series and the new series and the individual developments. First of all, we have improved the LCD design. Secondly, we have a new inspection window on the feeding channel where we can inspect the inside of the machine more easier. Then we have a stable closing device, and we have improved also the box holding design. Now the box holding design prevents jumping out of the seat and also the seat losses. The complete machine became more simple and it's also more suitable for heavy duty use.
The machine can optionally be equipped with the following equipment: with LED light for the threshing and the cleaning unit, also with air supply on the threshing unit, or with air supply on the intake of the material. And they are also possible to have automatic control for different functions, like opening and closing the flaps, for programming the threshing unit time, for programming the times for the bagging, and also for other customized functions.
Almost all these options are also possible for other laboratory treasures. For example, for Haldrup LT21 and LT50. Now we will show you a video of the LT35 where we can see also the different options. Here you can see the complete machine, also with the LED lighting. Now here we can see the bagging function. This machine is cycle controlled, so that means we can program different functions of the machine. Here we can see the nozzles inside of the threshing drum. Here we can see the settings and the starting of the machine. We will thresh some corn, so my colleague will insert some corn cups into the machine. Here is the feeding table and also the new inspection window. We can see that the flaps are opened automatically, the insert as well as the outtake, and the bagging is also controlled automatically. The concaves can be easily exchanged. And we have the new stable closing system. Here once again the complete machine. And if you want to see the video in the full length, you can also go to the Haldrup website or to our YouTube channel.
Our smallest lab machines, the Haldrup LT15 and the Haldrup LT20, have the following new functions. They have now an electric foot pedal. Before they have only a manual one. And one more thing they get is that now they get an opening for the threshing chamber. And these two options are also available for all the machines.
For the Haldrup DC20 densimetric sorting and cleaning column, we also have some new application purposes. This machine can be used for cleaning of the seeds, for cleaning out the seed mixes, for cleaning out the diseases, for sorting. We can also use it for sorting out the seeds with a low TKG, for example for all-seed rape. But a new application is also to use it for sorting out of living insects for the pet industry. Here we can see a short video. It's a little bit disgusting, but that's how it works. See the insects, they are still living and they are sorted out with this machine.
Now you can see our Haldrup HSMU for dust extraction, for dust-free works on our lab machines. With these machines you also protect your employees from fine dust, which is not healthy. Suitable for all Haldrup lab machines and also for other machines. Matching adapter available. We also now offer a new adapter for cleaning the bags.
This was all for the laboratory equipment, and now we will continue with the seeding and also with the planting technology. In this range, in our portfolio, we offer different machines from a simple hand-push seeder to belt-cone seeder, single-row seeder, which are also both available as a direct seeding option. Then we offer different planting equipment from 2-row to 18-row version, and all these machines are also available as a self-propelled version. In this range we have many new developments which we will introduce to you now.
The Vario Frame is available for all plot seeders and planter models. With the Vario Frame, the row spacing can be adjusted quickly and without tools. Amazon Lemken Horschkalders can now be also easily adjusted using the Vario Frame.
From now on we have the counting function available for all our seeding and planting equipment. A new function is also the counting for the SB25, where we can count the seeds for each row and then control the downpipes and save the information for the individual rows. The information can be then controlled, and then we can also set the values, and if the values are not okay, then an alarm is coming.
Our Haldrup LT35 Notill seed drills is suitable for direct seeding or minimum tillage seeding, or also for different soil conditions. There are other cultures available such as Agraplant, Bosch, Frontier or other cultures on customer request. Same options as for the SB25 or the SR30 are possible.
From last year we offer our well-known precision planter SP35 also in the compact version SP30. As you can see here, the machine became much lighter and also the complete machine is more compact. When we have the row spacing of more than 65 centimeters, we can mount the wheels between the elements. The wheels and also the sewing elements are on this machine in one line. For our well-known SP35 planter, as well as for the new SP30 planter, we are offering different elements. Here you can see that we have NC technology, which is suitable for normal tillage. Then we have NG+, which is suitable for minimum tillage, NX element, which is suitable for no tillage. And now we have a new element, HD narrow. This element was developed for planting of plants which require these very narrow spacings. We can use it, for example, for planting of cereals, vegetables and also other plants.
We now also have a possibility to install a silencer on our Haldrup SP35 precision planter. The silencer significantly reduced the noise of the turbine. The noise for the operating personnel is therefore greatly reduced. The silencer can also be retrofitted on the existing machines.
New software solution for the planters, for the SP35 as well as for the SP30. As we can see here, this new controls, it's very user-friendly and it's intuitive because it's using symbols and everything can be set in a very easy way. This new system also has an integrated gearbox plan. It has an HTML programming for different customized solutions. Other than that, it can be also used on a mobile phone, and it has a possibility for the service on a remote basis. We can also set the plot length and the plot gap in an easier way. This new programming has also a possibility to set the counting functions and also to set different alarms for the errors.
Our new control is ideal for plant breeders and technicians who want to follow the work process in real time on their mobile phone or on their tablet. Additional screens such as tablets or mobile phones can be connected to the sewing program. A monitor on the tractor can be operated easily and wireless.
In our new control system, we also have a future-proof application. This application allows a control and following by external people the planting and seeding process. We can follow what is happening with the individual rows or if the individual seeds are planted. Other functionality also allows us to follow if, for example, the mechanism of the individual seeding element is working, if it's opening and closing. The person who is following up what's happening on the field can do it through a tablet or through another device.
Optionally, we have an integrated marking system in the new control software. It is possible to set individual points for grains or for signal received. We can also mark short plots.
Haldrup has the largest plot combine portfolio in the industry. As you can see, we offer individual single plot combines where we have 6 different models, and our customers can also select the double plot combine, where we are the only company which is still producing the double plot combine completely from the scratch. In 2019, a new NEAR support group was created. This group was created to exchange the experience between the individual NEAR's users. It's an ideal platform for newcomers, but also for experienced users. We started it as a collaboration between different companies, between Haldrup, Sensologic, Schlinkmann, APH, NIAP, Landmannen, as well as Ivers University from Wales. It means the starting members came from different countries, from Sweden, Denmark, UK, France, as well as Germany. Here you can see a picture of the starting members from our first meeting in 2019. And the first conference took place in 2020 here at Haldrup in March. We still could meet in person, even though the corona restrictions were already on our back.
From 2021, the Haldrup ICUT will become our standard cutting unit for all types of crops. Some advantages of the new cutting tables are the minimum height from 2.5 centimeters, the outer contour system, and there are also some special new developments for soy, beans and legumes. And there is the possibility for quick change of the header for cereal, rapeseed or pickups.
During the harvesting time, always a difficult question stays what to do with our samples or our bags. Therefore, at Haldrup we offer different solutions for bagging and sampling. The solutions include the roller conveyor system, which we can see over here, where we can store boxes with our samples. We also have smaller solutions. For example, here we can see that there is a solution just installed on the cabin door, where we have a foldable platform for our boxes. Other solutions also include some customized options, where we can store the boxes or the bags very easily. Another sample storage solution was already developed for our bigger plot combines, Haldrup C85 and C90. Now we are offering this system also for our middle class plot combines C65, C70, as well as for our smallest plot combine C60. As you can see, it's a pallet loader, and this pallet loader can hold up to 500 kilograms. We can then put pallets or big wooden boxes on the side of the plot combines and insert the samples directly from the air-conditioned cabin to the box or on the pallet.
Now we have a new system with pins on the threshing drum. It works very well with rice and vegetables.
Here we would like to present you some of our new future-proven digital solutions. At Haldrup you have everything from one source, and therefore you have only one company to deal with if you are dealing, for example, with the mechanics of the machine or with the software solutions. Here you can also see our automatic plot recorder, which automatically saves a picture to each single plot. We can easily connect the data from the drone together with the data from the yield and save it automatically for each plot. This option is available for all Haldrup plot combines and maize and forage harvesters. For Haldrup C85 as well as for the Haldrup C90, we have a completely new control board design. As you can see here, the switches are now better organized, and also it's more user-friendly to use the switches on the new control board. We also improved the design of the steering column. The steering column can be now completely adjusted for even greater operator comfort. It's also more ergonomic to use, the control board as well as the steering unit. There were also new developments this year in the field of our harvesting technology of forage and maize. Our Haldrup A55 grass harvester got a completely new cabin this year. As you can see here, this is the new cabin design. It's very modern with the curved glass. Before we had a straight glass in the front, and this was the old design of the cabin. Now the cabin is also sitting on 4 buffers, and these buffers, they give the cabin also a better noise insulation because it's not directly connected to the base machine. The new curved glass gives also a completely new sense of view. We have now 180 degrees, and the curved glass also offers even more space for the driver as well as for the operator.
There is a new storage system on the left side of the Haldrup LT35 for the sample storage. Here you can see the storage system on the left side. There is an opening in the door of the cabin, how you can put out the bags. And then here on the roller slide you can put the bags and storage the bags.
For Haldrup M63 as well as M65 maize harvesters, we are now offering a completely new maize front. Here you can see the new front from Fimax. It's called Big Drum, and this front is row independent as it was before. We have different widths, 1.2 or 2.2 meters, and we are also offering different options. For example, the tower lowering is hydraulic, and also the tower turning mechanism. We can offer also the side dividers, and there is also a knife sharpening device, and the knife is hardened.
Haldrup is there for you worldwide. We have sales and service partners on every continent. Thank you for your attention. We hope you found the presentation interesting.